During this exercise, we will demonstrate custom messaging and programmable supplies alerts. Once again, access the embedded web server. And again, this is an embedded tool on our device. So to start the exercise, simply scroll down and click on Settings. Once you've opened up Settings, you need to go into General Settings. Click onto that. And here you can clearly see under General Settings you can modify display language, the paper size, your keyboard, date format, time format, whatever it may be around the device. This can all be done through the embedded web server remotely as if you're standing in front of the device. Very easy and a simple tool for IT and administrators. So here we have, let's access the custom messaging feature. Scroll down and click on Displayed Information. When you do this, you can clearly see that on the display you can customize and add your IP address in the left hand side, or select other criteria, a name, contact name, customize whatever text it is that you would like. And on the right hand side you can simulate the same, put a date and time or put your IP address as the customer wishes, or IT can set up and configure it as they wish. You can even add other custom messaging, like here, welcome to Essentials. Great, awesome feature to communicate to the audience that are using the devices. You can even go as far as customizing messages for black, cyan, magenta, yellow, whatever the supply status is, your fuser, transfer belt, paper, all the service errors. And here we want to demonstrate a simple one, load paper, and you have got a default message. So basically, in terms of load paper, as soon as your paper is low, you can customize and put a specific message to contact your administrator or your procurement. And once the paper has been loaded, you can put an alternative message saying paper is fine, paper is loaded, or paper is okay, and you can decide to display the message or not. That's one simple way of custom messaging, and that gives you an idea of what you can do on all the other custom messages, which is very, very powerful. Once you've submitted and put all your text inside, submit your request and the device will be updated. That is custom messaging. Very powerful. We're now going to demonstrate programmable supplies alerts. Simply click on Links and Index, scroll to the right hand side and look for supplies notifications. Once you find this, you click on that, and here you see an extensive table with 4 different criteria you can select from. What is really unique about this, every printing device has standard alerts, such as toner low or toner empty. But we as Lexmark want to provide our partners or customers and IT administrators more flexibility to manage the supplies to always ensure users are productive and are printing without any interference or hindrance. So what makes this programmable supplies notification so great? Well, you can now customize your alerts for black, cyan, magenta, yellow, even your fuses, and create different criteria. So for example, nearly low, what behavior would you like? You would like an email alert, a warning message, would you like a continuous stop, or a fixed hard stop? At what stage would I like this nearly low warning? At 40%, 30%? This can be customized for each and every cartridge at nearly low to get that alert. Same applies for low. So you can do a pre-stage warning. At low, you can then create whatever it is, an email alert, warning again. So if I'm a partner managing the device for my customer, I may want to get an email alert to say toner is low. By this stage, I know I need to order new consumables or new supplies items for my customer, and then criteria near end of life, sets it up to email, and by this I know I need to send the consumables to my customer to make sure that they're delivered on time. So by the time I get end of life warning that the cartridge is now officially empty, I cannot print anymore, the user can then install the new cartridge and continue to print. That is programmable supplies alerts, unique to Lexmark and a very powerful, unique selling point. Thank you very much.